Hey designers, and welcome back. You've asked for it, so today I'm showing you our Valentine decor. Naturally, the first place to start is the front door. That's right, I decorate all the spaces in my home. You will notice that we have started with a beautiful glitter wreath hanger right over that door. I believe that came from Dollar General a few years ago. Next, I took a few different elements from the Dollar Tree, the double heart wreath, the little welcome sign, and those little pink accents, and glued them all together. I do have a DIY for this project that I'll have listed for you down below. It is simple and easy to put together and so cute. And we can't forget those infamous little door hangers. That's right, I have them for every season, Valentine's Day included. When you close that front door and enter into our home, the first place you're greeted with is this little welcome station right here. And this is where I have some of my favorite pieces. You guys will remember this heart wreath from a DIY from last year. Again, I'm going to have that posted for you down below. Super easy to put together, as well as this little table runner. And again, yes, there is a DIY video for that as well. All of these elements came from Dollar Tree, including these little place card holders. That's from a recent DIY that you saw this week. I also added these little heart lights that I picked up at Dollar Tree just to add a little pop of ambiance in the evening time when all the lights are off. And I recently found these super adorable little glitter hearts at Dollar Tree that I stuck in there as well. And check out these little words. Aren't those just adorable? This makes the beautiful welcome into our home. Next up is the dining room, and this is one of my most favorite places to decorate because this is where we tend to gather the most, sharing our heart around the dinner table. You will notice this beautiful runner that I have here with those pink and red hearts. Again, this is a DIY that I have done in previous years. I'm going to have that listed for you down below as well. Super easy to put together. It's just a matter of having a hot glue gun and placing them the way you desire. You'll notice that I also added this beautiful little ribbon. Again, it's from Dollar Tree. For just $1, it adds just the perfect little accent. You'll notice that again in this space I have used some of those little words that we all picked up from Dollar Tree. Absolutely love the way they accent a space. And then you guys will probably remember these little vases were from a Valentine do-over that I did for you guys. I simply added some of that little diamond wrap from Walmart onto the vases from Dollar Tree. And I used some of the little pick hearts from Dollar Tree as well as those beautiful lips from Dollar General. I did a square little vase the same way, and I took some of those little hearts off of the picks so that I could just fill the interior of that. Thought it was really pretty. And there you have it. Again, those little lips that are standing up there were from Dollar General. The top of this little cabinet is also a great place to accent with, and you will see that I brought in several elements here as well. The little chalkboard actually came from Target several years back, and I embellished that with some little rhinestones and those little heart jewels from Dollar Tree. Then you'll notice again I have another one of those little words that we bought at Dollar Tree, and I have that little heart vase that came from Dollar Tree filled with more of those Dollar Tree heart picks. Just a nice, soft, romantic accent piece. I picked up this little bud vase from the Dollar General, filled it with some of those heart picks from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it added a perfect accent to our charging station. We visit this place multiple times a day, so what better place to remind us to love each other? The kitchen is another place that we frequent multiple times a day, so we need some reminders there as well. I have that little hanger on the refrigerator, and check out this little piece right here. This heart vase came from Dollar General, and I cannot remember where those little sequin hearts came from right there, but I think they came from Big Lots. Of course, those lips are also from Dollar General, and the little love word is, of course, from Dollar Tree. One of my favorite pieces is this right here that I put together using a couple of different elements. The big red heart was from Big Lots, and then the little chalkboard heart was from Walmart. I simply hot glued those two pieces together to come up with this, and this is a great reminder to us and our family exactly what Valentine's Day is all about. This little bucket you guys saw in a recent DIY video, but you might have forgotten about the little coaster DIY. I'll have a link to that for you down below. This is just super pretty and soft and just reminds me all about love. And sitting right to the side of that one, we have one of the original first DIYs that I did here for Valentine's Day a few years ago, and that is this pillar candle holder. Super easy to do. So again, I'll have that link for you down below. And lastly, I love to decorate this little ledge that sits on top of our entryway wall. It is a great place to add a few little accents. First of all, I started off with another one of those ribbon spools from Dollar Tree for just $1. Look how absolutely adorable. And I have intertwined that with some more of those little rope lights, also from Dollar Tree. You will notice this beautiful love candelabra in the middle. That came from CVS a few years back, and of course we are using more of those words. This little object right here is a candy dish that I embellished. You will remember that from a DIY, and it makes this whole wall look so pretty and all about Valentine's Day. Absolutely love the way our decor turned out this year, and I hope you guys got some great ideas, even if you incorporate them next year. I want to thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.